Hey guys, welcome to this channel. This is Abhishek Mamidi. In this video, we will see how to filter companies when applying for data science jobs. Right? It's really important to apply for companies because this will help you to focus only on specific companies and roles and makes your life easier and to track them as well. Let's get started. The first main thing is which type of companies you are interested in because there are a lot of companies out there and it's really difficult to apply to each company and try your luck, and it's a waste of time and it takes a lot of effort, right? So that's why before applying for jobs you should spend some time filtering out the companies you are interested in. Let's say if you are interested in these type of companies, then just apply to those companies and ignore the others. Just focus on the companies that you are interested in. As I said, it's really important to filter companies because if you get a job that you're not interested in, then you may not work happily, right? At the end, you want to work happily and enjoy the work. So that's why choosing the company you want to work is really important. For example, let's take big companies versus startups. I have seen students who are interested to work only in startups, right? They just target startups. If you have any interest, then it's really good. If you are interested in big companies, then just target big companies. Just apply for big companies. Don't apply for startups. I've seen some students who are interested to work only in like big four companies or only big companies in India. They have a clear picture already. So in those cases, just apply to those companies that you're interested in. That's it. Don't look into other companies. But there are some students who don't know what to do or they're okay to work in any company. Please spend some time in exploring the companies, talk to your seniors, professors, and experienced professionals. You can connect with experienced professionals on LinkedIn and take their help, or like the or you can take help from the seniors who have passed out, right, who have completed their BTech and have 1 or 2 years of experience in the industry. Just talk with them and filter companies based on your interest. So once you have these interests, or you have a clear picture, you can just remove a set of companies from your target list. You can just drop off most of the companies from the whole list, right? Just stick to this list before applying for jobs. Don't look at the other companies. If you're not interested in startups, then just don't apply. And then second most important thing is domain of interest. Once you have filtered some companies, then think about the domain you are interested in. Let's say, for example, let's take data science field itself. You have multiple roles like data scientist, NLP engineer, computer vision engineer, and deep learning engineer, right? There are a lot of roles in data science field itself. Select 1 or 2 roles based on the projects you have done, your experience, and your interests. That's why talk to your seniors and listen their experiences. If you have worked mostly on image related projects, then apply for computer vision engineer roles and maybe data science roles, right? Don't apply for NLP roles because it would just waste your time and the company's time, and also adds garbage to your tracking system. And obviously, if you don't have projects related to NLP, then companies would not shortlist your resume, and also even HRs won't look because you don't have the right skills for that specific role. That's why don't just share your resume to all companies or to all roles if your skill set is not matching to that specific role. And there is also one more thing through which you can filter companies. So that is based on industry. There are a lot of industries. For example, we have healthcare industry, finance industry, retail, media, education, and we can apply data science. You can leverage data science in most of these industries. So if you are interested in a specific industry, then just target those companies who are working in those domains. Let's say you are interested in media, then filter for the companies who are working in media domain and just target those companies. I also want to show you how the shortlisted company should look like. Let's say at the end of this exercise, you should have a list of companies, something like this. So create these 3 columns: startup or big companies, startups, and the company name you want to apply for: Google, Amazon, some other startup 1, startup 2, startup 3, and the roles you want to apply for: NLP engineer or data scientist. These are my interests. And coming to the roles, I am interested in data science roles and NLP engineer roles. So that's why I've only shortlisted these roles. And based on this, I have created this table. Similarly, you can just shortlist 20 to 30 companies and then you can start applying for jobs. In summary, what I want to say is The first step before applying to companies is to shortlist companies. This will just remove a lot of garbage. Okay, and then it will help you to just focus on the main companies. And then you can shortlist companies based on the below criteria, like type of company, like startup or big companies, and the domain of interest or role maybe, and the industry you want to work for. If you're a fresher, you never worked in a industry, so you may not have much experience to choose the industry you want to work for. So maybe you can ignore this constraint for now. Maybe after 1 or 2 years of experience, you can put this industry filter as well while searching for jobs or while shortlisting the companies. To help you in getting a job, in next video, I will share you tips on how to apply for off-campus data science jobs as a fresher. I know as a fresher, it's really difficult to apply for off-campus jobs and get shortlisted, right? It's really difficult to reach out to HRs itself. So in the next video, I will share you some tips on how you can do it. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Meet you in the next video. Until then, keep learning.